Hi, good morning. Hello, I'm Chanpatat Puthon and I'm in my garden. And this is my show, English in the Garden. This morning, um, here in Phuket, Nonthaburi. This is my garden actually, and the temperature is around 18 to 19 degrees Celsius. It's pretty cool for us, our standard. This is our winter actually. And yeah, I'm in my garden, and what I like to talk about this really lovely morning is poetry. Actually, have here the title called "What the Eye Sees." Now, what the Eye Sees, a collection of haiku poems by Alan Mele. You know, and what is a haiku? I mean, you may wonder. Before I answer you, let me sip my coffee. A haiku poem originally originated in Japan, is actually a syllabic poem. Meanings is a poem with two constraints. The first is the number of syllables. Five, seven, five. There are three rows. The first row has five syllables. The second, seven, and the third, five. So altogether, you need 17 syllables. Another constraint, I mean, the second one is the concept of nature. I mean, a haiku poem has got to be about our reflection on nature. Uh, I'm not sure what the Japanese call is kiko or something like that. It's kiko, which is the um, elements of nature in a poem. So, as you can see behind me, this is a uh, haiku written by Alan Mele. I'll read it to you. Walking with the dog. Blackberries bruised by autumn. Wind across the lake. Walking with the dog. Blackberries bruised by autumn. Wind across the lake. You can see the first one, walking with the dog. Exactly five syllables. Blackberries, three syllable. Bruised, four by five. Autumn plus two, seven. And the third one, went across the lake. Actually five. In terms of the meaning, semantic, it is about the relationship between human activities like you walking the dog and actually you notice blackberries. The color of blackberry is actually deep purples, so it's like we use a lot of metaphor, bruised uh, by autumn. So autumn has caused blackberries to change the colors. Wind across the lake, so in autumn is the beginning of winter. So just to recap again, let me uh, have another sip of coffee. It's a lovely morning, and I'm here in my garden, uh, reading books and poetry, and I'm sharing you my knowledge. Actually, Professor Alan Mele's books on uh, haiku. I mean, haiku has two constraints. The first is the number of syllables and the number of lines, and the second is the theme. in terms of the meaning, a haiku should be about human activities and his reflection on nature. Um, so, this is Janpa Tatputhon. Thank you for watching. Very good morning to you. See you in my next video.